Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show you here about to help you today on how you can start to make an appointment on Wells Fargo. This is about to be helpful, so what we would like to understand about how we start to see that should be seen through what is going on over here on the situation. Okay, so we have here to be about we over here. So we are going to be right now over the situation that we can start to help you guys through what is going to be on through what is about to be over the placement that is about to be already tripled on this video. So what we over here to visit the Wells Fargo website, log into your account, look at the schedule an appointment link and choose the time that is works for you. Contact Wells Fargo by phone. They have numbers for all their services. Sit on their contact page. Schedule an appointment online to meet the person with a banker or investment advisor. That is all about to help you.